Your relationship to porn, how to improve it. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. Let me tell you how. Okay, so whether you know it or not, you indeed have a relationship to porn if you are consuming it with any level of consistency or frequency. Actually, I forget what movie it's from, but it's a movie quote where he says that, I know what it is. It is The Devil Wears Prada. Such a good chick flick. If you haven't seen it, you really should see it. It's great. Anyway, what he says is that you're in a relationship with the thing that you keep going back to. Now, if you keep going back to porn more and more and more, and you're not spending time with your partner, if you have one, your friends and family, your job, you are in a relationship with porn, whether you like it or not. And it's a toxic relationship. I am here to tell you it is not a relationship that serves you. It takes from you. It feels like it's giving to you, but it's actually taking from you. What it's taking from you is the size and strength of your brain. What it's taking from you is the ability to feel good in the world, to feel joy. I'm here so I can help you to find peace and joy in your life. The only way that you can do that is if you're not running to something, in this case pornography, to stimulate and calm your brain, because that is what it is serving. But it is taking from you while it does that for you. So, indeed, it is a relationship. So, how do we improve this relationship? When you have a toxic relationship, you basically have two ways of improving it. You can improve the dynamics between the relationship, and if it's with another human being, you can talk with them and see if you can change the way that the interactional style is going and make it so that things are better between the two of you. Or if it's toxic and you can't reach that agreement, it's time to break that relationship off. And in this case, that's what you got to do, because this relationship cannot serve you. Science shows that it's going to decrease the size of your brain. It's going to produce underactivity in your brain. It's going to give you mood challenges, up and down, back and forth, never feeling content in the world. It creates anger. It creates a cycle that is mind-boggling for your partner and for your children, for your employers. The cycle is sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. Your people never know if they're getting Dr. Jekyll or Mr. Hyde. You deserve to just be the best version of yourself that is consistently happy, feels great in the world, and doesn't have to run away to numb the pain of existence or to stimulate the boredom of not being on purpose. So that is what we are here to do. So you have to break off that relationship, and the best way for you to do that is to get new relationships going. If you've seen my other videos, you know that if you anchor in to your purpose in your work, in your relationships, and in your hobbies and things that make you feel good, you will no longer need to run back to that relationship that is just helping you feel a little better in the moment by calming and stimulating your brain, because it won't need to be calmed and stimulated. That is the idea of changing your brain, shifting it from the brain pattern that is causing you to need to be calm and stimulated. Instead of having that brain pattern, you can shift your brain into a new mode, into the optimal mode of calm, focused, relaxed peace that brings you joy. That's literally neurologically possible and capable using neuroplasticity. How do you do it? Brain training. And there's other videos in this channel that show you that you can either train your brain without technology, and you can train your brain with technology a lot faster, but you can also train your brain through coaching and through neurofeedback brain training, the highest level of brain training tech. So now is the time to do it. You got to improve that relationship, and unfortunately, your only choice in this case is to break it off. I'm here for you, though. If you would like help doing that, reach out to me, trish@drtrishleigh.com, or check out my short course. It's totally affordable, accessible, and anonymous, just like porn. So it should be an easy entry point for you to get the help that you need, because I'm here for you. I know you can do it. Brains can change at any time if you wanted to. So go for it. And remember, control your brain, or it'll control you.